In this video, we will talk about the gallery widget. To add a gallery widget, just scroll down to the Pro Widgets section. Then click and drag it to our editor. Here you can add images to our gallery widget. You can choose images from your media library, or directly upload them here. Just wait for the upload process to finish. Make sure all the images you want are selected. Then just click the Create a New Gallery button. Then here you can rearrange images by dragging them to the place that you desire. To delete an item, just click its X button. Then just click the Insert Gallery button. You can also add another images to your gallery by clicking this area. Then click the Add to Gallery link. And here you can add images that you want. Then just click the Add to Gallery button again. And now, we have added a new gallery item to our widget. You can change its layout here to grid, justified, or masonry. Let's change it back to grid. You can edit the columns of your gallery. Let's set it to 3 as an example. Next, you can edit its spacing and its aspect ratio. You can edit it to various aspect ratio, 1:1 for example, and many more. You can also set its image size quality here. If you notice that your image thumbnails are a bit blurred and the quality is not good, just increase the size here from this drop-down. But in most cases, the default size is just fine. Next is, you can set an overlay to your image thumbnails when on hover. You can set a title here. Just choose an option from this drop-down. You can also add a description on your overlay if you added a description on your image. If you didn't, no description will display here. You can also set your description to the image caption. You can add a caption to your image here in this area. Just edit your gallery to show this dialog box. In most cases, the title option is fine if you named your image file name to a relevant title of your image. In my case, I didn't change my image file names, so it also have numbers on its title. Alt text is also good when you added an alt text to your image. I just temporarily disabled my overlays titles here. Now, going to its Style tab, we can add border to our images. Let's set its color to red. Then let's add a border width. You can also add a border radius to your images. You can add an animation when on hover. You can change the overlay's background color. Let's try to set it to something like red and reduce its opacity. Now, let's try to set a different background color when on hover. I'll set it to blue. You can also set a gradient background to your overlays. Now, going to its content options, let's apply a title to our overlay first. Then let's go back to Style tab on its Content Styling section. Here we can set the overlay's content vertical alignment to top, middle, or bottom. Here we can set its horizontal alignment to left, center, and right. We can also set its title's text color here. And its typography. If you add a description to your overlay, a separate settings for description will also show here on the content styling options. See you on the next video.